ati omugabana Amos Nyaribo ndiringa ase omwaka bw'ekiri 2019 nigo omugabana aesogete na gwakanwa arakabere ebili ya nyagitari nonyamagega ensemeri ya NHIF gwakana ebili eyo.
A habit of conferring upon himself irregular benefits going by other incidences. For instance, in the year 2019, the governor caused to be paid a retrospective compensation of Kenya shilling 13 million in allowances for housing, bracket, a benefit, not an allowance, and made a double medical claim in form of ex gratia, despite full settlement of his medical bills by the defunct NHIF, all outside of SRC guidelines, which clearly demonstrate a pattern of personal enrichment, abuse of office, and direct violation of PFM Act. 5. This direct financial benefit to the governor constitutes a direct loss of public funds and demonstrates a clear case of personal enrichment through corrupt practices and abuse of office. Allegation number 4, abuse of office through systemic payroll fraud and syndicate, the Kenya shilling 32 million payroll haste. 1. Besides an irregular receipt of Kenya shilling 5,649,706 has already established, in particular, allegation 2.3, the governor presided over a well-orchestrated syndicate of payroll fraud, which led to massive loss of public funds through huge, irregular, and unexplained salaries and specified and special allowances paid to Mrs. Rose Bosibori Guto, an ECD teacher, bracket Kenya shillings 25,018,852. Ms. Gladys Mora Nyambane, an ECDE teacher, bracket Kenya shilling 1,100,467. And Mr. Isaac Kerongo Onchiri, an ECD teacher, Kenya shilling 700,836. 2. While under oath, during his appearance before the Senate's Public Accounts Committee, the governor admitted to have received the illegal benefit.